SonShineFilms, you know what's long. Go watch the vid like unsubscribe. Jump in the chat, you feel the vibe. Like a family reunion, we electric slums.
See what's next.
I can't hear no fences. I can't hear no fences, but I can fences. He's out here just making it, baby. Wow. I was. Con đi vào bạn.
You want to leave what your boy did. What you doing? Huh?
That's just payback.
What marshmallows?
Bought it for the trade. I mean, bought for the plane. They're always so small.
People eating what they get, what they need.
And now I'm seeing more. This is natural.
Beautiful day in the grill. We out here. What's this? Reading the grill. She Luther Vandross in this bitch. But you got a partner. You got a partner. She off that bob. She off that bob. That's why she Luther Vandross out this bitch. We out here. Reading the grill, SonShineFilms, and we feeling real. I'm feeling real wavy. How you feel?
I'm so hungry right now.
Bob Marley.
R.I.P. Bob Marley.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Cheers.
And he on that Johnny. He on that Johnny. I ain't talking about no Johnny kill me. Mama. I ain't talking about that.
She's singing and all that. Mama.
Bad pictures don't make no sense.
What don't make sense?
These bad pictures.
What?
Yeah.
So far, it's just a beer, right? So far, it's just a beer, right?
That was just something that's earlier than that.
Oh, they trading. They trading off. They trading off. Just trading off.
Lil Wayne and Baby popping up.
Mm.
What are y'all doing? You just don't wake up. Don't make me call that in the middle of the night.
Call who?
Call that room in the middle of the night.
That might be an option.
Get on that toilet.
Might be an option. Take that pee. Take that pee, bro.
Hello?
Join the fam, join the fam. You see your man, he going ham. Come join the fam, join the fam. You see your man, you see Anna. SonShineFilms.